Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a face. Let's start it by drawing a vertical line and a horizontal line, and they should cross each other. Then you want to connect the horizontal line to the vertical line to form a U shape. And go all the way to the top. I'm not used to measuring it, but if you are a beginner, you can put measure in this. Then connect each other with a slightly horizontal line on top. Make two small lines below. Draw two curved lines on the horizontal line, and the vertical line should be between them. Follow the line of the horizontal line and slightly increase to the last part. Draw a circle on both eyes. Put another curved line on top of both eyes. This will make the eyes look bigger. Put two small circles at the center of the eyes. Put a teardrop portion. In making eyelashes, you may exaggerate this one to add drama to the eyes. Except for the lower part of the eye, the hair should be very small. Shade the teardrop portion. Blacken the eyeballs. This is just a simple shading of an eyes. I didn't put any detail in it since I want to make it look like I'm looking it far away. You may also want to darken the lines of the eye, including the eyelashes in the lower eyelid. When drawing an eyebrow, you want to draw an increasing line, then decreasing line, go back and forth downward and connect it to the decreasing line. And do it to the other side. The lower line should serve the guide for the nose. It really depends on you on how you do the nose, as long as it has three curves in it. The other small line should also be the guide for the lips. Again, it still depends on you on how you do the lips. It may be big, it may be small, it may be open, it may be closed. As long as you use the small lines that we made earlier as your guide to separate the upper and the lower lips. I want to make the edge of the eye pointed since I'm drawing a girl, and I want to make it look like it has eyeliner in it. Also, if you are already satisfied with what you've drawn, you may erase the line that serves as your guide. Again, I wanted the face to look like it's far away from me. I will not put any detail on the eyebrow. I will just shade and darken it. You also want to darken the lines of the eyes to make it more neatly. Now let's put a simple shading. Let's start with the nose. Start by shading the bottom part of the nose following a curved line downward then upward. Draw a line and connect the nose to the eyebrow. The line should be very light. When shading the nose, you want to perceive that the light is in front of the face. Start shading from the eyebrow down to the nose for the nose to look pointed. You also don't want the eyes to be flat. Put some shades on both edges of the eyes. Make a cheekbone by drawing a slightly triangular shaped line with the tip of the triangle at the edge of the eyes, then shade it. Shade the lips by following its shapes. Put some creases in it by putting a small line in its opening. You can actually use this shading technique in every face you draw to make it more realistic. This is just a simple shade of the face. If you want a more complex one, you may add a little more shades in it. In shading, it is important to know where the light is coming. Now let's use a cotton bud to darken the shades. I'm using a cotton bud because it's like you're holding a pen. You can follow and shape it well by using this. Also, it really depends on you if you like your shading to be darker or lighter. Now as you can see, the face is looking more realistic. Do not shade the lips full. You must leave white portion in it. I forgot to put a shades on the chin. This portion should have a shades too. Basically, this will be the whole shading process. This is the simpler way. Now that the shading is done, let's highlight the eyelashes. As I've told you, you can exaggerate this one. Draw the eyelashes in a fanning motion. Please pay attention to the middle portion where the eyelashes meet. It should be against each other. Or should I say, on the way that you draw, it should be on a different direction from each other. You can also use a color pencil to highlight the eyebrows and the eyelashes more. That's all guys, thank you for watching my video and I hope you learned something from me and be more confident in drawing.